In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to clear a payment from your sales transactions. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through step by step to ensure you can accomplish this task with ease. First, let's launch your preferred web browser and head over to QuickBooks. If you're not sure how to get there, simply type QuickBooks into your Google search bar and click the link to access the site. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, log in using your credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll want to direct yourself to the part of the page where it says My Apps. This is where you have central control over various functionalities available through QuickBooks. Within My Apps, you're going to focus on the section titled Sales and Get Paid. You'll see a tab here that says Sales Transactions, which is precisely where we need to be for the next step. Click on Sales Transactions to open up a list of all your recent transactions. QuickBooks organizes these nicely, making it easy to find and review your financial records. Once you have your list of sales transactions in front of you, scroll through and locate the specific transaction you wish to edit. By clicking on the transaction, you can open up more details about it. You'll notice in the actions available the option to edit this transaction. It's crucial to do this carefully, as editing can impact your financial reporting. Once you click Edit, look towards the bottom of the price details in this transaction. You will find a button labeled Clear Payment. When you click on Clear Payment, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm that you want to clear the payment associated with this transaction. This function is handy if, for example, a transaction was recorded in error, or if a client's payment failed to go through and you are rectifying that record. Follow through with any confirmation prompts, and once done, the payment tied to the transaction should now be cleared from your records. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully cleared a payment in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial records are as accurate as possible, reflecting up-to-date information that aligns with your business's operations. It's important to regularly review and manage your transactions in QuickBooks to maintain the accuracy of your financial data. Thank you for following along with this guide, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher at any point.